How to fix music fail to play tracks error in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the music app. Now click on music app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory of music app, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now search here power ramp. So firstly install this power ramp app. After install this power ramp app, then go back to the home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.